Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're taking a look at the Club Monaco 2024 Spring-Summer collection. Specifically, we're shopping for our Summer Greece trip 2024. So we're taking a look at a cute little white cropped jacket, an easy packable shift dress, 2 pantsuits, and of course a halter and linen skirt set. First off, let's go ahead and take a look at this cute little white cropped jacket. Now I do own another one of these crop jackets from Club Monaco, and it's kind of like a pink and white tweed, and it is the perfect cropped spring summer weight. So I was really attracted to this jacket because it's all white and will go with so much more. Now it is lined, and as you can see, it has quite a few design features. There are very well-made pockets as well as a cute little detailing on the left sleeve, with an additional pocket and what it looks like to be a few pen holders. Let me know if you know what these are actually for. Now, just as we noted when it was off the hanger, this coat really feels well made, and putting it on did not disappoint. However, I did feel like this was the wrong size. So at first I tried this on in a size small, which is what you're seeing now, and it was a little boxy, a little bit kind of balloony, and a little too cropped for me. So I tried it on in an extra small, and I felt like it fit a lot better. One concern I do have is that it still kind of feels a little boxy or a little balloony, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Overall, I think if I was in the market specifically for a white crop jacket, this would definitely be it. All right, next up we tried on this black and white shift dress. Now the main goal of this dress is to be very lightweight, airy, and packable, perfect for a daytime trip to the beach or even a casual night out on an island. Now I also decided to try this on in a size extra small, which I think ended up fitting a little bit better. Although I do kind of feel like I'm in between sizes here. All right, next up we tried on a cute little linen skirt with a fluted bottom as well as a matching halter top. Now this is actually the product that drew me into the store. I saw both of these on the mannequin outside and I had to try them on. Now seeing these in person and not just on the mannequin, I was a little concerned by the amount of wrinkles. I know that linen obviously does wrinkle and you need to kind of take care of it. However, these two have not even left the store yet and they were already so wrinkled, so it already felt like a challenging outfit to travel with. Now I tried both of these, the top and the skirt, on in a size 0, and I felt like they were a little large. First of all, the top definitely did not fit me and they didn't have a smaller size for me to try, but I did try the 00 in a skirt and felt like it fit a lot better. I also noticed that there is a 00 petite online, which I think is probably a little bit better overall. Okay, next up I tried these cute scrunchy camisole pant sets. I first and foremost absolutely love this burnt orange or burnt red color, and the material was just so intriguing and felt like it was perfect for a day exploring the Grecian islands. For size reference, I tried the top on in a size small and the pants on in a size extra small. Now, of course, the material is very stretchy, so I feel like you do have some room to wiggle with either size, but I don't particularly love when something is too small, so I'm very conscious of that. Now, I did try on a few different sizes in the black colorway. I tried an extra small top, which I thought was too small, and a small pant, which was a bit too big. Overall, I went with the small top and the extra small pant. And that wraps up our shopping spree. Let me know what you liked in the comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.